Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. This is going to be a super fast video going over how to turn a Bugaboo Bassinet for a Fox Renew into the seat unit. So we're just going to go over that super briefly. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, please follow. Go ahead and share the video if it makes sense. Sharing is caring. This is going to be a little unhinged because I have pushed it way too close for timing today with other things that I need to do. So we're just going to do our best. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the Bugaboo Fox Bassinet just sitting and hanging out. So I'm going to go ahead and start by removing the canopy, and I'm going to get the side that's closest to me first, and then the other side, and we're just gonna put that away for later. And we're gonna do the same thing with the front bar because those pieces are gonna come back when we're using it as a seat. So right now, I'm gonna remove the little zippy apron, or at least make it sort of come toward me. I'm gonna take out the bassinet fabric, and now the interior pieces of the bassinet have like Velcro. These dudes will just pop off. And now, when I'm looking on the side of the bassinet here, there's little pieces that I can press to have this all pop out and not get my shirt caught. This is the worst shirt to ever wear on film because it gets caught in everything. But that's all right. We will just keep going. So as you can see, popping these pieces off is not difficult. There's a little button hole material on the inside, and now I've got that bassinet fabric fully removed from the frame. Okay, and I appreciate your patience, you guys. I've never done this before. This is a totally new SKU for me. So I think the next thing that I saw when I quickly perused the instruction book was that you want to attach the foot plate down to the bottom of it, and you'll know it's the bottom because the top component will have the handle for the recline. So that makes sense, right? Because that would be, you know, the part that you would squeeze to have the whole piece recline. So we've got that going right there, and then I think they said to take this guy, which is the seat piece, and then there's little wires on the top with little hooks here. I'm pretty sure these are intended to hook on like this, and then this comes down backward, and then these guys hook on to the little snappy round pieces here, or at least one would think. And again, if you think I feel stupid doing this, I'm sure lots of people have a hard time. So it's just useful for us to be able to see, oh, you know what? It has to go this direction first, and then it will wedge back. So there we are. Now this guy down here pops down and just sits. So now we've got our little seat skeleton all set and ready to go. It's skeletal. Okay, so we've got Skeletor from He-Man, so that's good. And then now, this is our seat fabric. There's a hole in the top. That's how I know where that would start over the reclining mechanism, that reclining handle. So that is gonna come through. That's gonna be my starting point. And then this interior material, I wanna undo all of that and pull all of my harness pieces through the correct correlating spots on the seat. So I'm pulling through the shoulder belt straps, through the shoulder belt component of the seat. There are also spots, actually you can pull this down and have it sort of sit around the piece where your front bar would go. So that's nice because it'll hold the material very securely. I'm going to pull the crotch belt piece up through. There's a hole in the material for this to come up through. And again, with any of this, it's just patience, right? Because we don't want to get a blood blister or pinch our fingers or do anything foolish. And I see I've got two little dudes sticking out the back here. I want to make sure I get those to go through their correct holes. So that's what I'm working on right now. And additionally, I do believe there's a way to attach this to the bottom of the seat. So we're going to do that as well. There's a lip of material on the bottom here that sort of has buttonholes that attach to these little bits of plastic on the seat. So I just popped that seat down to make my life easier. It'll hook up there and it'll hook up down here on the little foot pieces. Whew, that is very tight, especially toward the end, but we got it. And now I'm going to shove that seat back down into its, oh, you know what? It won't go all the way because I still have one more piece of fabric to pull through here. The lower part of the body harness. So this is sort of like the part that comes around the tummy. We want to make sure that that comes all the way through to make it more comfortable for kiddo when they are sitting. I'm just adjusting the harness down in this scenario. And these actually spin this way to make it all nice and neat for you guys. I'm trying my best to go as fast as I can, because as I said, I've got to get out of here too. I can't be here all day. This will come up. Okay, so now it's looking like that. I'm noticing this is floppy down here. Aha, there are these straps that tuck through little pieces on the bottom. So that's going to help hold it all together so that it's not flopping around. Now, we'll go ahead and take that front bar. We'll put that directly onto the seat. Let me get this out of the way. Let me pull this over. This is a bassinet / seat stand, which is pretty sweet, but I can have the seat at least sit on here for the time being to make sure that I've got it all perfect. And then the final part is going to be putting that bassinet canopy back on. And it's actually, as you will see here, both a seat canopy and a bassinet canopy, if I can get it to clip on. And I'm going to get that piece to align on the back, and we can zip this up. And now I've turned that bassinet into a stroller seat. So when somebody tells you that a Bugaboo includes a bassinet component, they are correct. They get one set of one seat skeleton or bassinet skeleton, and you swap out the fabric as needed depending on the age of your kiddo. And so as you can see here, Fox 5 stroller seat on the Fox 5 stroller. Okay guys, if you have questions or you have comments, please feel free to leave them below. If it makes sense, share this with someone. I just wanted to show kind of how that works because people think that it's two separate things that it comes with. It is. It's one frame and two sets of fabric. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos.